Hi friends, myself Parth Telgad. Today we learned simple tense. There are three forms of simple tense: simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Structure of simple present tense is subject plus V1 plus object. Structure of simple past tense is subject plus V2 plus object. The structure of simple future tense is subject plus shall, will plus object V1 plus object. Let's see some example of simple present tense. I ask I ask question, we ask question, they ask question, you ask question, he asks question, she asks questions, it asks questions, Sonu asks questions, Sonu and Monu ask question. In past tense, let's see examples of past tense. I asked question, we asked question, they asked question, he asked question, she asked question, it asked question, Sonu asked question, Sonu and Monu asked question. Simple future tense. Example of simple future tense is I will ask the question, we will ask question, we will ask question, they will ask question, you will ask question, he will ask question, she will ask question, it will ask question, Sonu will ask question, Sonu and Monu will ask question. In Marathi, simple present tense we said as a sada वर्तमान काळ. In Marathi there was a मी खो खो खेळतो, ता ती ते तो. In simple past tense म्हणजे साधा भूतकाळ, मी खो खो खेळलो, ला लिहिलेलो. आणि फ्युचरचं असं होईल मी साधा भविष्यकाळ, मी खो खो खेळेल आणि त्याचं खेळीन येईल. थँक्यू, धन्यवाद.